Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Redo channel. I'm your host, Mom, and with me today is my lovely daughter, Lily.
Hi, friends. I'm so happy to be here again.
Today, we're going to have a fun talk about one of our favorite topics, food.
Yay! I love food.
I know you do. But today, we'll not only talk about food, we'll also learn how to talk about our favorite foods in English. Are you ready, Lily?
I'm super ready, Mom. Let's go.
What is your favorite food? Okay, Lily, let's start with a simple question. What is your favorite food?
That's easy. My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza! A great choice. Why do you like pizza so much?
Because it's so yummy. I like the cheese, the tomato sauce, and the crispy crust.
That sounds delicious. Do you like any special kind of pizza?
Yes, I like pepperoni pizza the best. Sometimes I like veggie pizza too.
Good job! You said, "My favorite food is pizza." That's a very good sentence. We can also say, "I really love pizza." "I enjoy eating pizza." Or, "Pizza is my favorite dish."
Oh, can I try?
Of course, go ahead.
I really love pizza. Pizza is my favorite dish.
Perfect, Lily. Your pronunciation is clear and your sentences are correct.
Thank you, Mom.
Talking about taste. Now, when we talk about food, we also use taste words. Do you know what taste words mean, Lily? Maybe words that describe how food tastes? Exactly. Here are some examples. Sweet, salty, spicy, sour, bitter, savory.
Oh, I know sweet, like chocolate and ice cream.
Right. Chocolate is sweet. Ice cream is sweet too. Can you think of something salty?
Chips. Potato chips are salty.
Yes, chips are salty. And spicy food. What's an example? Maybe curry or chili? Correct. Curry is spicy. Chili peppers are very spicy. Now, let's use these words in sentences.
Okay.
I'll say the sentence first. You repeat it after me, okay?
Sure.
Chocolate cake is sweet.
Chocolate cake is sweet.
French fries are salty.
French fries are salty.
Curry is spicy.
Curry is spicy.
Lemon juice is sour.
Lemon juice is sour.
Coffee is bitter.
Coffee is bitter.
And soup is savory.
Soup is savory.
Good job, Lily! You used all the taste words correctly. Talking about meals. Lily, do you eat pizza for breakfast?
No, Mom. I eat pizza for lunch or dinner, not breakfast.
That's right. So let's talk about meals. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs, toast, and milk for breakfast.
Good. You said, I usually eat. That's a great way to describe your routine. Let's try some more examples. I usually eat cereal for breakfast. I sometimes eat pancakes. I often drink juice. Can you try, Lily? Okay. I usually eat eggs and toast. I sometimes eat pancakes. I often drink orange juice. Excellent. Now, what do you eat for lunch? For lunch, I usually eat rice, chicken, and salad. Nice. That's a healthy meal. And for dinner? For dinner, we sometimes eat pasta or soup. That sounds perfect. So we can talk about meals like this. For breakfast, I eat. For lunch, I eat. For dinner, I eat. And if we want to add something extra, we can say, I also drink milk. I like to have fruit. I like to have fruit. Okay, let's have a quick review time. We learned how to talk about our favorite foods and how they taste. Repeat after me, everyone. My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
Chocolate cake is sweet.
Chocolate cake is sweet.
French fries are salty.
French fries are salty.
Curry is spicy.
Curry is spicy.
I usually eat eggs for breakfast.
I usually eat eggs for breakfast.
Good job, Lily. And great job to everyone listening, too.
Yay! That was fun. I love talking about food.
Me too, sweetie. And friends, don't go anywhere. In part 2, we'll talk about how to describe what we like or dislike about food, and how to say things like, I don't like spicy food, or I love sweet desserts.
Ooh, that sounds delicious.
See you soon in part 2. Talking about likes and dislikes in food. Welcome back, everyone. You're listening to the English Redo channel. I'm Mom, and this is my lovely daughter, Lily.
Hi, friends. We're back.
Mom, in the last part, we talked about our favorite foods and different tastes. Do you remember, Lily?
Yes, Mom. We learned words like sweet, salty, spicy, sour, bitter, and savory.
Perfect memory. Now, let's talk about what we like and what we don't like to eat. Okay, Lily, tell me something you like to eat.
I like pizza, pasta, and ice cream.
Yum! Those are all delicious. You said, I like pizza. That's great. We can also say, I love pizza. I really enjoy pasta. Ice cream is my favorite dessert.
Can I try some?
Of course.
I love pizza. I really enjoy pasta. Ice cream is my favorite dessert.
Beautifully said. Now, let's learn how to ask someone what they like to eat.
How do we ask that?
We can say, what do you like to eat? What's your favorite food? Do you like spicy food?
Oh, like a friendly chat.
Exactly! Let's practice it like a little role play. Lily, what do you like to eat?
I like pizza and pasta. What about you, Mom?
I like soup and salad.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do. I love chocolate ice cream.
Me too.
That's perfect. Simple, clear, and polite. That's how we talk about our likes. Now let's talk about the opposite, the foods we don't like. I don't like very spicy food. Ah, yes, you don't like spicy food because it burns your tongue, right? Yes, it's too hot for me. So, to talk about dislikes, we can say, I don't like spicy food. I hate onions. That's a strong feeling. I'm not a fan of mushrooms. Oh, I'm not a fan of sounds polite. Exactly. It's a softer way to say you don't like something. Okay, let me try. I don't like spicy food. I'm not a fan of onions. I hate bitter melon. Good job! You used all three styles. But remember, when we say hate, it sounds very strong, so use it carefully. Got it, Mom. Talking about snacks. Let's move to a fun topic. Snacks. Lily, what's your favorite snack? I love cookies, especially chocolate chip cookies. Those are so good. Do you like salty snacks too? Yes, I like popcorn and chips. Okay, let's make a few full sentences to practice. Say after me. My favorite snack is cookies. My favorite snack is cookies. I like eating popcorn when I watch movies. I like eating popcorn when I watch movies. I sometimes eat chips after school. I sometimes eat chips after school. Excellent, Lily. These are everyday sentences that help you talk about food easily. Talking about healthy and unhealthy food. Do you know the difference, Lily?
Yes, healthy food is good for your body, like fruits and vegetables. Unhealthy food has too much sugar or oil.
That's right. We can say, fruit is healthy. Vegetables are good for you. Fast food is unhealthy. Too much soda is bad for your health.
Oh, like I love pizza, but I try not to eat it too often?
Exactly. That's a perfect sentence. Can I say,
I like candy, but it's not healthy.
yes, you can. That shows you understand balance. It's okay to enjoy treats sometimes, but not every day.
Right. I eat fruit every day.
Good girl. Fruits and veggies make you strong and smart. Practice time. Likes and dislikes. Okay, let's practice together. I'll ask questions and you answer. Ready? Ready! What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you like vegetables? Yes, I do. I like carrots and cucumbers. Do you like spicy food? No, I don't. I don't like spicy food. What snacks do you like? I like cookies and popcorn. Is soda healthy?
No, it's not. Soda is unhealthy. Perfect. You answered every question clearly. Thank you, Mom.
Review time, part 2. All right, friends, let's do a quick review time. Repeat after us and don't forget to speak clearly. I like pizza.
I like pizza.
I love ice cream.
I love ice cream.
I don't like spicy food.
I don't like spicy food.
I'm not a fan of onions.
I'm not a fan of onions.
Fruit is healthy.
Fruit is healthy.
Fast food is unhealthy.
Fast food is unhealthy.
I like eating popcorn when I watch movies.
I like eating popcorn when I watch movies.
Excellent, Lily. And great job, everyone listening at home.
Yay! That was fun and yummy!
Yes, it was. In part 3, we'll learn how to order food in a restaurant, how to ask politely, how to say what you want, and how to thank the waiter.
Ooh, that's going to be so cool!
Yes, it will be. See you all in the next part.
Bye, friends!